Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wanted to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, and secondly, I wanted to say how excited I am for my new background. I'm just trying to switch things up a little bit, be a bit more of like a, beauty blogger. This is my first video of 2018. Today I recreated a look that I shared on my Instagram a little while ago. It's a little bit different and the products that I used in this video are different, but I just wanted to do a video where I used a bit more colour than some of the other videos that I have on my channel. So the look that I recreated was this one here. The original photo that I posted with this like blue and purpley kind of look. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and let's get into the tutorial. To start this today, I thought I would show you guys kind of what my skin is looking like a little bit. I am breaking out a lot at the moment. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I struggle with acne a lot, and I'm just trying to deal with it. So to prime, I'm using the Stila One Step Correct Primer. I'm just popping that all over my face. Because I have been breaking out so much recently and I'm left with a lot of like red marks, like scars on my skin, I have been using this primer just to correct the redness a little bit. So now I'm going to be using a foundation that I've actually just repurchased for the first time in years. It's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is in the shade NC10. I didn't buy the pump for it though, so I'm going to have to like try and get this out like this, which is going to be a mission. I'm just taking this, dotting it around my face. Camera is actually looking like my neck and like my chest is so much paler than my face. Like my face looks really orange, but I promise it's not how it looks in real life. It's actually quite a good match. And now I'm moving on to concealer, and the one that I'm using today and have been loving recently is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, and this is in the shade Chantilly. It's really stressing me out that I look so orange on my face in the viewfinder and my neck looks so white. Guys, these are the struggles of being so pale. Now to set under my eyes, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. Translucent Loose Powder. So I'm very extra when it comes to my powders. I use 3 different powders to set my face. So I've used the first one, the loose translucent one for under my eyes. And then I use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light to set all over my face, like the other areas. Now I'm just gonna do my brows off camera and then I will come back. So I just did my eyebrows off camera and they turned out quite bold today, so I'm just going to roll with it. And I've decided that for eyeshadow I'm going to use the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid eyeshadow palette. This is the warm one, like East Coast and West Coast. I don't know which one this is, I can't remember. But it's one of the warm ones, so I'm going to use this today. Oh, I just dug my finger into one of the eyeshadows. So I'm going to use this shade here, and I'm going to pack it onto my MAC 217 and put that in the crease. This is going to be my transition shade. I really like how pigmented that was. I was surprised. I didn't think it was going to be anywhere near as good as it was. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is slightly deeper and slightly more purpley, and I'm gonna pack that like still in the crease but a bit further down and not blend it up quite as much. Now I'm taking this dark purpley shade here. So I'm just leaving that Gigi Hadid palette for now because that last shade that I was using was nowhere near as pigmented as I would like for it to be. I'm going to take my Chloe Morello Pretty Fun Fearless palette and I'm going to use some of the purpley shades out of this one, just in that outer part. So I'm going to take Flirt. Now I'm happy with how much I've blended that purple eyeshadow. I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Sunset Cove. I'm just going to kind of do like a bit of a cut crease. So I'm going to leave that to dry down on my eyelids now before I try to blend it out a little bit more in the outer corner. But I'm going to move on to my lower lash line, and I really feel like doing something quite fun today. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to use my Color Junkie eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take these two shades. I think I'll use like a mixture of them and just pop that on my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to go back in with some of those darker purple shades from the Pretty Fun Fearless palette on my MAC 222 and just blend out the outer corner a bit more. Now I'm just going to go off camera to apply some false eyelashes and eyeliner. So now I've applied my false eyelashes and my mascara, and I feel like the look has come together quite nicely. I also popped some white eyeliner along my waterline. For the bronze, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. As you can see from the state of mine, it is Much Love. And then for my blush, I'm taking the Benefit Dandelion blush. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to be taking the XO Beauty Radiant Glow Highlight Powder in Aurora. And I'm just popping that on my cheekbones for the glow. These highlight powders are so beautiful. They're like quite a subtle highlight. Trying to show it off, but I probably just look like I'm really awkwardly moving. I just like to layer it up quite a bit to get it a bit more intense. Down my nose. And on my cupid's bow. I'm also taking some of that highlight on a little pencil brush, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. For my lips, I'm taking my much loved Colourpop Oh Snap lip liner. For my lipstick, I'm taking the XO Beauty lipstick in the shade Ubuntu. So I just went and got changed, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I know it was a little bit more experimental, but these are the kind of looks that I've been loving doing recently. Like, I really love playing with colour at the moment, and Makes me so happy seeing like a whole look come together with lots of different colours. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!